What is going on, guys? As you can tell by the weather around us, it's pretty shitty out here in LA, and days like this always just put a damp on the mood, really. I don't want to do anything whenever I see a day like this, but if you don't feel like doing something, that's when you gotta push harder, right? When you don't want to work out, that's when you're gonna go work out. We've been working nonstop on a bunch of projects and also taking all of the clothing and all of the merch and all that stuff to Mexico. We need to open all these companies, so we've been working on logistics a lot lately, and look at that. Even Tata had to deal with the weather. So, because we've been doing that, I've been doing a lot of just paperwork, which I hate. So today I figured, why not ask Buddy and Farghini? Let's go to Mercedes Beverly Hills, see Yvonne, but before that, I want to take him to a dope-ass Mexican spot that they haven't been to, that Danny from O'Gara took me to, that I love and adore. It's called Sol y Luna, which is sun and moon. So I think they'll enjoy the crap out of that, and then from there, let's go see what happens. But I'll see you guys there. Farghini saw some women and he's like, I'm going outside. So the place is right there. That's Sol y Luna, buddy. Yep. And it's delicious. Delicious, delicious.
Farshad's about to get killed, by the way.
Look at him. What is he doing?
He's doing a story because this place next door to Sol y Luna has Latina nights, and Farghini's into Latinas.
Farghini likes big asses, which I don't know why he is. Oh, well, I know why he associates Latinas with big asses. Telemundo and all those, which I hope Belen's not watching this.
Rules and regulations. No shoes, no shirt, no pads, no soliciting. Oh, sorry.
A good Mexican restaurant without good chips and salsa, do you agree, is a travesty?
How's that? Yeah, if you have terrible chips and salsa, it can't do anything.
I thought you liked spicy food, Farghini. You just order another salsa. Is this too spicy for you?
It's too smoky.
It's too spicy for Farshad. It's too spicy for Farshad. So you order pico de gallo, and the waitress said, spicy or mild? Guess which one you picked?
Mild.
Eso que pasó, gracias. Look at how bad he's sweating right now.
That's just for the guacamole.
That right there is queso fundido, which is melted cheese. You're gonna put that, I'm gonna put into one of these tortillas.
These, right?
Yeah, but you'd rather do this, trust me. How good is that? Yeah.
Real good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Only a Middle Eastern place, by the way, would like have a Latina, and it's Latina.
That's not true. If you go to New York, there's Latina nights all the time. Yeah, they're inviting Latinas, and they're inviting people like you to know that there's gonna be some nice asses
and
here.
I will be there too.
That's what I'm saying. He was legitimately thinking about that. This is 2 in a row. Guess what he just asked me now?
What?
Do you have the camera?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, I ate all the cheese in the world, which is another bad thing about eating Mexican, but goddamn, it was delicious.
Where are we going to?
We're gonna go to Mercedes in Beverly Hills, see if they have an E-Wagon, because Buddy wants to drive one.
I want to see an E-Wagon, man.
I agree with you.
Can I explain something to you guys? Yesterday I went to go finalize the deal on the expedition.
Yeah.
And I got cold feet.
They don't have heaters there? They don't have heaters at Galvin?
I don't know why you're so funny today, Parker. You really are. You're bringing it.
Quite a change.
You're bringing it.
We're taking a good salsa, bro.
Sorry, so you're saying you got cold feet.
I just don't know. I don't know.
I love that he didn't show up with the car and we didn't ask him anything. Right?
I don't know if that's the right one.
So we gotta go to Mercedes Beverly Hills to see that.
Turn the camera. I'm sorry.
Look at the snorkel on that thing.
I'm sorry, guys. I had to hijack that.
do realize he also has the metal bumpers and everything.
That's what I
to go
saw.
off-roading.
Wow, that is a border special. That's a border special.
Wait, so you might consider the wagon?
The E-Wagon.
The
yes.
E-Wagon.
The E-Wagon, if they have it.
If it's an E400, is that okay? Or it has to be the AMG?
I mean, the reason I want to go there is because of that, like that 3.4.
Let's go and see. Why are we talking about it? Let's go. Already here at Mercedes Beverly Hills, guys, as you can tell by all the inventory behind us and by Farghini's smile, we were honestly just walking through and saw this S-Class. This is an S63. It's not the crazy one, but I want you guys to look at all the carbon pieces that this car has. So here, the mirrors, which I haven't seen on an S-Class before, the side skirts, and then I'm assuming something on the back, right? Like maybe the diffuser, the diffuser.
No, but
carbon made.
These manufacturers are finally understanding that carbon fiber is really important to save weight on a car that weighs 4,000 pounds. Like they save like.
But hang on, you know what they realized?
What?
What's the sticker price on this car?
Almost $200,000
That's what they realized, Farghini.
that they'll pay.
That there are morons.
That will that will pay.
Because I saw it and immediately was like, I need to have that. Though it might be expensive, but do look at the interior. Holy shit. Look at this. Jesus Christ. This is gorgeous though. If you guys know, you know. Buddy, excuse me?
Was this a one-to-one?
No. This is like burnt red. It was bright red. This is a 43 AMG. They're called SLC. It's not the same thing anymore.
It's the same.
It's not.
It's the same.
It's not. So Yvonne is working somewhere upstairs, and we're gonna let her just deal with her client and whatnot. We're looking at all the G-Wagons right here, and it looks like summer's about to hit us up with because most of the time Arabs come to the US and they rent cars. So I think these guys are getting ready for that stuff. Jesus, that's a lot of 63s. And what we're looking for is Buddy's wagon, but I don't know if we're gonna find it ourselves. Ooh, there's a blue top right there. Look at this, guys. This is bright. Look at that. The SLK had the same carbon fiber-like interior there.
Air caps even match as well.
What?
Oh, look at the front. See, they're starting to color coordinate accents.
So Mercedes is starting to do like PTS type, like more is like CCX, which is the Porsche personalizing like little items. So look at the front here, top. Center, like the wheel caps.
But Andre, they're taking notice of what's going on in the car world.
They got into the hypercar game, right? Yeah. And when they did the Project One, they started getting these clients to say, I also want this. And they're like, oh.
When you do buy this, there's no need to go somewhere else and do little minor things. They're doing the little minor things for you.
Themselves, finally, which by the way, took them fucking until now. So, and ooh. This is a C-Class, right? This looks incredible.
They're fucking spilling AMGs out of their ass. It's like AMGs everywhere.
100 grand. This one's so dope. So we just walked the whole thing and I'm sorry, buddy, but there's no wagon. Do you want to go where Farghini used to work at?
I would love to, because I know that they have one there. I looked at it last night, yeah.
Let's go get dicked around at WI Simons and Mercedes.
Oh, you still have this.
No. We don't need to.
So right here with lovely Yvonne, and I'm asking for the G-Wagon for Belen. But we can do that, right? We can order the car?
Absolutely.
They haven't opened the orders?
No,
Okay.
not yet. First one is yours.
See, we actually didn't do a proper swipe of the whole place, right? Do you agree? The one place we didn't look is right here. And here you go, buddy. God damn, it needs black on black, which is exactly what the doctor recommended. 2018, what's the sticker? It's at E400.
85.
That is just like the Maybach would.
Fucking Maybach interior E-Class.
It's the most expensive station wagon in the whole
What a terrible
Of course, by the way, of course, right? Of course.
every option. Look at the interior.
No, we saw it's got the same wood as in the Maybach.
This has the acoustic comfort package. Increased cabin insulation, windshield and side windows with acoustic and heat absorbing membrane. I didn't get a membrane in my car. I want a buddy, you're gonna get a membrane in your car.
Hey. You know, I was wondering what all that noise was when I was sitting on the front.
But you know what? It fits you.
Yeah.
And by the way,
amazing.
kids, buddy, kids
Love
love
this.
sitting back here like it's crazy.
I can actually fit there easy.
Yeah.
Hang on, hold this for me.
I'm all in.
Fits.
Two guys in one wagon.
It's quite spacious back here.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Honestly, it is.
I believe the E63 does not offer this.
Listen, man, I'm sick and tired of your shit about what car does what and what doesn't have the perfect everything.
Picky, man.
Just
I'm
pick
picky.
one.
I'm
Just
sorry.
overpay for a car and let's get out of
Just
here.
like all of us did. Fuck.
So this seat over here is gonna go down, but this seat right here should make the adjustments for this seat to close.
So what you're saying is you're gonna press a button right there.
Yep.
Okay. And then that's gonna make everything come down.
You ready?
Yeah. Hit it.
It did it. That was cool. Come on. It did it.
All right, guys. So Yvonne allowed us to take this out. Buddy, this is quite the classy car.
So this is 85.
$85,000.
Yeah, the E63 wagon is like 115, 120.
Okay.
This drives just like the S-Class. I mean, just like the S-Class.
And you don't
So-
have a 4-cylinder.
But you have a 6, right?
Yeah.
So give it a nice pull and show us what this is all about.
And it's all-wheel drive 4MATIC.
Hang on.
Whoa! Holy shit! Woo! Look, Raptor.
Whoa! No. Put it in
Don't
sport.
put me in eco
You're
mode.
in Sport
You
Plus.
piece
You're
of
in
shit.
Sport Plus now. There you go. Now we can
Let
go.
me adjust my steering wheel. I don't like where.
Here we go.
This is a cool
Tell me to
car.
keep my hands on the steering wheel.
And I love this too.
How's the room back there?
Hey, it's
It's okay?
no. I live.
It's enough?
Yeah. And I have big legs. Like they're so muscular, so they barely fit anywhere.
You talking about Bradley? You talking about if Bradley sat in the car?
All right, hold on.
It's got more than enough.
It's got a little get up. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm really interested in the E63 wagon.
Wagon?
Oh my
Should
god.
we take this to see if we could trade it in for the E63 at Simonson? Should we?
But shouldn't he buy it first?
No, we can save.
No,
you know
I
how
got-
much money you can
I
save?
got the key.
You'll get 85 grand trade-in value.
It's got 4G service, more than what my actual phone has.
Well, but you have Sprint. and honestly, the seats in this thing are really, really comfortable.
They are.
Surprisingly comfortable. It's really quiet because of the membrane thing that it has. For real. Like, all jokes aside.
I
is
wish I had this much of a memory.
It is very nice and quiet. It moves, it hustles, it looks
These are
great.
upgraded seats, though.
The seats look amazing.
These are
Yeah,
good,
the
yeah.
seats look amazing. The wood looks amazing. I would totally pick a different color for everything, but I love
I
it.
mean, if this is overpriced enough, I would get it in a heartbeat.
And the thing is, what people don't realize is the wagons are actually much better cars than the actual cars. So the E shooting brake or the CLS shooting brake, it's a more desirable car for someone that likes to drive than a regular E63. Why? I don't know why they're so epic like that, but
Because people like form and function, not just form over function. That's the thing that I've been hung up on is like I want to have fun with the car, but I also want to be able to like have all of my life.
Yeah. All in one. Big fan of this. Yeah. Big fan of this. You know what? As soon as we start putting the rental fleet together, this could be one of them.
Yep.
So, we're gonna keep playing this game. Are we? Do you want to order one? A 63.
I want to use 63 wagon.
Okay.
I want to use 63 wagon. And can I tell you what else I want to do? And I was talking to Farghini about this. I kind of want to put it through Galpin Sports. I want to do something crazy with it.
Well, let's first get you the car.
You know what, something crazy you could do? Let's just get the car. That's the craziest thing you can do.
Whatever he tells you, don't let him get away with not buying an E63 wagon. Just tell him you'll order the car. Okay.
What did you say?
Ivan, when are the 2020s coming in?
Every Wednesday at 7:30 on CBS 2020.
If I wanted to get an E63 wagon,
She got you.
If I wanted to get an E63 wagon, how long would it take?
Tomorrow.
Really?
Can you dealer trade one?
Ooh.
I have a couple of them.
Now, let's see what excuses Buddy comes up with, because at this point, I'm like you guys, but I'm here.
The pressure. I want to see it. I want to see it.
Show him pictures.
No, I've seen it. I've watched 1,000 reviews on it. I want to
You
put
want to see it?
Hey, Belen isn't even here, and she's getting a new
I
car.
want to put my butt in it.
Hang on, do you guys hear that? The excuses?
Here we go.
We were just talking about it because we're stuck in traffic. So President Trump is supposed to be coming here to LA. He was in San Diego this morning, and right now, he arrived to LA. He's coming to Beverly Hills, to Santa Monica, and then he's gonna come to Beverly Hills, and then afterwards he's gonna go downtown. Yep. So there's a lot of roads.
Like downtown LA, not downtown.
Yes, downtown LA.
Yeah, okay.
I'm sorry.
You know what I mean, right?
Yes, of course. So, I'm sorry. So obviously there's a lot of road closures and whatnot. And we were saying, how awesome would it be if Waze gave you, like, if you paid an extra $100 a month or $30 a month, like a VIP only for you.
Like, I know you guys see traffic right now, but we just had a clear 30 minutes that Waze never had taken us to this route.
Oh yeah.
So you were like, is this a premium route we just got? Yeah. Maybe it could be.
What if they did that?
Yeah,
would you pay for that?
Absolutely.
Would you guys pay for that? Because I think it's an interesting way of getting money. Yeah.
You're like, I'm a Waze premium guy, right? I'll just follow that guy.
I don't think they're gonna do that for that reason alone.
Okay.
But if Waze ever fucks up like that, I'll be following that guy too and saving the $100.
Yeah.
That dude in the red hat out there with the umbrella has been out there for how long, Farghini?
At least 13 minutes. They shook hands.
Okay,
He's moving on to the next guy. I'm not talking to him. I don't want to talk to him.
No, absolutely not.
And then I thought they shook hands already.
No. He's one of those.
Guy? Oh,
Multiple goodbye.
He just stop and chat multiple goodbyes. Like,
how many information?
Yeah.
Just let's get information. Hey, what? Oh, you don't want to talk to me? You want to talk to me?